Hi, my name is Portia Kimball, your cake diva, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make spaghetti out of fondant. To make spaghetti out of fondant, there's a couple different tools you'll need. I have a fondant smoother and I also have a clay extruder. This is located in the clay area of any craft or hobby store. I have some light brown fondant to give that spaghetti look and color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fondant and just move it in my hands. The reason that I'm wanting to make it longer is so it fits inside the clay extruder. If you want to make sure that you get the same width and the length that you're wanting, just use your fondant smoother. This is good to make sure that you get exactly the size and the width that you want, and it keeps your fondant smooth. Once I'm done and I get what I'm looking for, I'm going to stick this down inside and I'm going to press down with my clay extruder. One thing about clay extruders is it does come with different templates that gives you whatever shape that you desire. You just simply unscrew this, put whatever template of shape that you want, put the fondant in and press. Now we have the spaghetti look, and the great thing about using a clay extruder is they're all the same size. Now it is a little bit, hard to push down, but once you get in there, you will be able to twist this knob and then screw it down inside. Another thing that you can do with the fondant once it looks like spaghetti is you can place it on top of cake or even cupcakes. You can add any type of round, crunchy chocolate candy, and then you can add raspberry or strawberry jam and spread it on top, and that'll give you that look of spaghetti. But it's fun for kids and it's edible. And now you have fondant that looks like spaghetti.